Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dee, and my channel's Dee Lovely Life. I was tagged by my dear friend Michelle from MyEveryDayWifeLife for the Quick Clean Challenge. So, here we go. Quick Clean Challenge for 15 minutes. And I decided to do my bedroom. I mean, it is time. Changing the sheets. It feels great being back in our California home, in our own bed, but what could be better when you get into your bed with new clean sheets? Am I right? Am I right? You know, I was thinking that we really need a new mattress. This mattress is hella old. Not heck of old, but so old it's hella old. Actually, I was also contemplating on buying new furniture. But I might just have to save some money from doing my own DIY painting project. Seems that trend is in for the time being. Funny how trends come and go. But not like our mattress though. I think I have decluttered so much that I'm missing some pillowcases as it seems here, but oh well, I'll just have to do with what I have. How many pillows are too many pillows? Really, I'm asking. I always think of that movie, Along Came Polly, with Jennifer Aniston. Remember that movie? He has like a massive amount of pillows on his bed for decorations. Too funny. And yes, the price tag is still on that one. I have a tendency to leave tags on items if you haven't been watching my videos. It's amazing what we have on our nightstand. I just have random things there and water, of course. And of course, I'm a full-time caregiver, so that's something that I need in case my mom needs me during the night. But as you can see, I am just taking everything off of our nightstands. I'm using Pledge. I like to use Pledge. I don't know, I'm just a Pledge person. And I like to use my little handheld dusting glove there. I got that at Ross one time. I really love it. It's one of my best little finds there. And now I find them everywhere. I enjoy looking at her photos as I dust. You can see me smiling here. Some memories that are just us. I used to have some more pictures around the house until I decluttered here and there. Some prefer a lot of pictures and some none. Where do you stand on photos in your home? Time is flying by as I'm cleaning. All I can think about is I don't have enough time to clean more as I would like to today. But my responsibility is to take my mom and husband to their physical therapy in 20 minutes, so there's that. But hey, this is a start. It got me motivated to press on to the bathroom and vanity area tomorrow. And then we'll see where that takes me. I keep my morning and evening cleaning routine on a regular basis, but my other cleaning goes to as a where it needs basis. And I use my quotes and end quotes, where it needs basis. Taking my time, drawer by drawer, opening a drawer to prove my KonMari folding still remains. It's an attempt, but not really sticking in my habit of folding. I'll link that video at the end. So much for joining me on this quick clean challenge tag video from my dear friend Michelle at MyEveryDayWifeLife. Go check out her channel, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Now I gotta get to my vacuuming and get to mom. So anyways, remember to take care of yourself, and I will see you later. Bye.